Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing the essentials so the splash can show immediately. First, run Flutter Doctor and ensure your project targets the appropriate Android and iOS SDKs. Next, create a lightweight logo and background at multiple densities and place them in an Assets folder, then declare them in PubSpec. YAML. Once done, implement a minimal splash widget that returns a scaffold with a centered image. Asset to confirm the asset's load. Make sure to hot reload to verify visuals before platform integration. Now integrate the splash natively so it appears before Flutter initializes. On Android, add a drawable with your background and logo, then point launch theme and styles. XML to that drawable, set window background in Android manifest. On iOS, add images to assets. Xcassets and edit launch screen. Storyboard to use an image view constrained to center. Ensure info. Plist references the storyboard. Alternatively, run Flutter native splash and configure colors and images in PubSpec. YAML finish by controlling when the splash hands off to your app UI and by resolving common issues. In your main app, await initialization tasks, then push or replace the splash route. Use a short timer like 1 to 3 seconds only when necessary, otherwise hide immediately when ready. Make sure to remove or invert the native placeholder once Flutter paints to avoid a double flash. If things go wrong, check asset paths, device logs, and run Flutter clean, then rebuild to clear stale resources.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.